Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see aggregate functions. So we have multiple aggregate functions. We are going to see most commonly used aggregate function. So totally we are going to see five aggregate function. The sum, average, min, max, count. So in this video, we will see what is aggregate function, and we are going to see sum and average function. So first of all, what is aggregate function? So it's used to perform the calculation on the set of values, and it will return only single values. So what it means? So if you do any aggregation on the specified column, you can get the single value. So for example, we are going to see some aggregate function. What is the sum function? It will calculate the sum of the numeric values. So and also it won't include the null values. You can't able to find the sum of the null values, right? So just we are going to find the it's going to use only on numeric values. So let's see, if you want to find out total salaries, total base salary of this salaries table. So how do you find? You want to sum the total, right? So you can just use the sum function and open the bracket and specify the base salary column, right? You want to find the sum of base salary column. Basically you need to give the select, and then you can specify the aggregate function, and you specify from which table you are going to find the aggregate function, so aggregation. So just you run this query, you will find the sum of base salary. So you can specify as sum of salary. Just you are renaming the column. So then next, if you want to find out average of the base salary, so in this table, so then you can use average, and also it will ignore the null values. So it will also only on the numeric value. For example, if you want to find the average of the base salary, so just use avg. So select avg is the syntax, open bracket and close bracket, and specify the column name, and you want to rename as average of the salary uh, from salaries table. So just run the query, you will get the average of the base salary in this salaries table. So yeah, so then now let's go to the today challenge. If you go to the salaries table, now you found the sum of bonus in the salaries table, and also find the average of the bonus. So if you know the answer, please write the answer in the comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.